Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Jericho Primary from St. Catherine up against Revival Primary from Westmoreland. I'm your host TK Dawkins and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Revival Primary won and decided to send in Jericho Primary first, so we'll begin with Jericho Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have that time on the clock. Jericho Primary, we begin with Bible knowledge. In which garden did Jesus pray before his crucifixion?
Garden of Eden. The Garden of Eden.
That's incorrect. It's Gethsemane. Revival Primary Bible knowledge. In which town did Mary give birth to Jesus?
Bethlehem.
That's right. Jericho Science. In which part of the human body is the cornea?
The eye. The eye.
That's right. Revival Science. In which part of the human body are the 3 ossicles?
The ear.
That's correct. Jericho Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Puss and dog no have
the same luck. The same luck.
That's right. Revival Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. The same knife we stick sheep. Question passes. Jericho, want to try?
No, thank you.
Stick goat. Jericho, English language. What's the past participle of withdraw?
Withdrawn. Withdrawn.
That's right. Revival English language. What's the past tense of throw?
Through. Through.
That's correct. Jericho television. Bob, Kevin, and Scarlet Overkill are characters from which animated movie?
Kim the Impossible. Kim the Impossible. Kim the Impossible.
That's incorrect. It's Minions. Revival television. What's the name of the scientist who creates gadgets in Gru's underground laboratory in the animated movie Despicable Me? Question passes. Jericho, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Dr. Nefario. General knowledge for you, Jericho. The Amazon River is located on which continent?
South America. South America.
That's right. Revival general knowledge. The River Thames is located in which continent? I'm sorry, the River Thames is located on which continent?
North America.
That's incorrect. It's Europe. Jericho social studies. The Pitch Lake is featured in which Caribbean country?
Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago.
That's right. Revival social studies. The Caribbean island of Puerto Rico is a territory of which country?
Spaniards.
That's incorrect. It's USA. Jericho music. What raises the pitch of a note by a semitone?
A shard. A shard.
That's right. Revival music. What's the sounding of 2 or more notes at the same time called? Question passes to Jericho. Want to try?
No, thank
It's a chord. Jericho mathematics is an angle of 186 degrees, acute, obtuse, or reflex?
Obtuse.
That's incorrect. It's reflex. Revival mathematics is an angle of 91 degrees, acute, obtuse, or reflex?
Obtuse.
That's right. Jericho sports. Which country has won the FIFA Senior Men's World Cup the most times?
Brazil.
That's correct. Revival sports. For which country has Kylian Mbappe played in 2 FIFA World Cups?
France.
That is correct. And that bell means that it's the end of section 1. The scores are Jericho Primary on 7 and Revival Primary on 5. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.